we got it. Got her down safely. That is an adrenaline rush. You can see how dead it was. Man, as I come around, you're going to see my notch, and don't laugh. But this is the biggest tree I've ever cut. 20-inch bar. Didn't quite go all the way, so I butchered the notch. See it there? Looks like it ended up being a pretty clean cut, though. I'm no expert. Let's go ahead and survey the tree here. You can see it had been dead a while. I was starting to get a lot of branches coming down, and really it was starting to become kind of spooky to go up underneath it. You can see as it hit, all the branches just flew all over. I've got some video footage of it coming down. Some clouds came over. It actually just started to rain, just briefly. And so it got dark, so the footage is kind of dark. So sorry about that. But you can see the mess it made. Dang. But when it hit, it all crumbled down. It's kind of cool. We're going to walk around just a little bit more here. Man, some of those branches sure tore up the ground. I mean, that was to be expected. Looks like I'm gonna have to get the fire pit going. Look at this clump of grass right there. Well, that got flung over from somewhere. Ooh, kind of looks like over here. Man. This one. But man, that was fun. What an adrenaline rush. Thanks for watching, guys. If you would, please comment, hit the thumbs up. If you've taken down some big trees, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Any close calls, those are always good stories. Plus, I learn from them. You can also subscribe if you like videos like these of just projects done here on the homestead. You know, it's a lot of stuff with my little Kubota tractor. I think I have a lot of views from that, but it's interesting stuff. And then clearing land, taking care of the property. I'm a city slicker, so this is all new to me, but I'm sure having fun doing it. And thanks to YouTube and other people making videos, I've been able to learn a lot from them. So thanks a lot. You guys have a great day and stay safe.